Hello, my name is Ram. I'm from Gaark Biotechnologies Limited. We bought the Sodaltech machine about a year ago. We are a company which is in business for 60 years and we have about 150 crores. So this machine provided us an avenue for getting into new markets. And the benefits of this company is the flexibility that it provides for us to bring out new products into the market. Providing as a company is highly commitment driven, because when they say something, they do it without faith. The machine is very simple, everybody can use it with minimal training. We have been working with unskilled labor who are able to operate these CNC kind of machines with relevant ease. We also have bought Gaark, which is helping us turn around more products into the market on. So thank you.